Hello?
Hello, it's Crazy Wolf.
Who?
It's me. It's the guy.
Do you have any idea how little that narrows it down?
Oh, come on, you remember. I was getting chased by bounty hunters, and then I kinda scratched the paint on your ship when I flew by you, like, really fast.
Oh, so you're the guy who scraped my ship and didn't swap insurance with me, and now I had to go to the local PD and file a hit-and-run report, and I have no idea who it was!
Yep.
Oh, you just wait till I get my hands on you. I'm gonna shove this sword so far up your...
Well, how about this? How about an opportunity for us to get the whole insurance thing settled immediately?
And that proposition is...
I want to play video games.
Video games?
Yes. I'm bored.
Alright, fine. I'll bite. What game did you have in mind?
Insurgency!
This is fun for you?
Grenade Gadoon! My dog has this habit. She likes to come up to me when I'm gaming, and then she'll like bump her nose up on my arm, and when my character aims upward, I actually have to go let her outside if she's gonna do this. So, can you defend this position while I
interrupted by Doggo?
Yeah, interrupted by Doggo. Defend this position.
I'm pinned.
And I will be right back. I will return. All right, I'm gonna go let you out so that you go, so that you get what you want. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. You wanna go outside, okay?
What the fuck are you doing, bro? I need a medic!
Oh my god!
No, wait, what? Wait a minute. Hold on. I just got back. No, we can't be dead. I told you to hold the position. We can't be dead.
They threw a grenade up there. And wiped both of them. To the left, Matthew. To the left.
I was looking to the left. You didn't specify where.
I mean, didn't the cha-cha slide teach you anything? To the left.
The cha-cha slide has nothing to do with lefts and rights.
Yes, it does. It teaches you to go to the left, to the right.
It teaches you to take it. Yes.
And one hop this time.
2 hops this time. Let's go.
Left foot, 2 stomps. Right foot, 2 stomps.
Everybody, clap your hands.
Because that's the biggest thing that chat teases me about is how I'm terrible at video games.
Well, this is your chance to prove them all wrong. This is your chance. How about that?
9 times out of 10, I proved them right.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Well, let's see you destroy this cache. All you gotta do is find a Molotov. Unless you already have something.
I've got a smoke grenade, but that's not gonna do me any good trying to destroy that.
Yeah, you're gonna need to find a Molotov.
Well, there's plenty of dead soldiers over here, so I would imagine at least one of them has a Molotov. Oh, even better, this guy's got an RPG.
Ooh!
But knowing me, I'm probably gonna miss it by a mile or blow myself up.
Get a good amount of distance before you shoot it.
Okay, so it's right there.
Okay.
Bravo, nice job, guys.
Sweet.
See?
Nice.
I did something.
You did it. You did it.
Okay, where's our next? Okay, our next objective is E.
Echo. E.
A. Sports.
It's in the game. Jesus,
Back
that
when
was
EA
smooth. That was
something.
so fucking smooth. Oh shit! He was right in front of me. I don't see any more, which is really odd. I was expecting.
Echo.
Oh shit! Damn it!
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field.
Ow! Motherfucker! Why would you do this? Why would you do this? Why would you fucking do this? Now, you don't understand what this means? I have to do this to you now.
No.
Now we're even.
So close.
Now we're even.
We are so
Now we're even. Alright, now we're even. So that means, okay, chill out. We're even, that means we don't need to do it anymore. We don't need to shoot each other anymore. We're cool now.
Affirmative.
Affirmative, very good.
Yeah,
let's move
go.
For
on.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not surprised you got MVP either.
I had a 29-to-1 kill death ratio.
God damn.
I'm terrible at video games.
Oh shit.
Oh, Russell's in front of us.
Holy crap!
Did you just?
What do you mean did I just? What do you mean did I just? What do you?
Saw, the last thing I saw was you aiming your gun in my general vicinity.
No, I did not just. Okay, I did not just. It would have told you. The game would have told you if I had just. Okay.
Good, we just took Alpha.
There's a guy standing right there.
I'm gonna have so many people screaming in the comments section when they see this video.
Here, I'll crawl my way up here and see what I can find.
Alright, let me know what you see. Recon. Where? From fucking where? Ready to kick a field goal on these guys? You ready to kick a field goal on these guys? Make it to the 40-yard line. I don't know anything about football. Whoa!
Neither do I.
I'm dead. I didn't even have a chance to, like, appreciate the map.
Yep, that ended pretty quickly.
Okay, so I have a better idea for when we do this. Let's go slower. Nice scope.
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
Careful.
Did you hear that?
What the hell is what? I didn't hear anything.
I heard somebody go bleh! I've got the doorways. You handle across.
Got him through the damn wall.
Oh, across.
Get some fucking assistance.
Did you get
They
him?
threw smoke. They threw smoke so I can't see.
Okay, I got him. He was trying to run in. And run in, run in, and run in, run in.
Run in,
And run in, run in, and run in, run in.
New contact. No disrespect. Something.
I'm out.
Okay.
Gotta
We
reload.
used our brains, but
Before we go
After
any
that
further,
shot-
there's something I want to test. I want to see if this still exists.
what are you doing?
Hop into this square and then aim your iron sight. You will see purgatory.
Oh my god.
They're like right at the front door. Oh!
Nice, we just took Bravo. This
I saved your life. You were. Hey. Okay. You good?
Getting a little
Cover me.
jumpy.
God. I'll bet you literally shot at nothing. Oh. Ow.
I what? That was a complete accident. Like,
yeah,
I was
so was
aiming for
mine,
that.
but you know, what's fair is fair.
No.
Don't you give me that negativity right now.
Being honest though, that really was purely
Oh,
accident.
I'll bet it was. I believe you. I believe you.
Move back.
Why?
I was trying to throw it in the doorway. I was trying to throw it in the doorway. I'm sorry.
Nobody in the doors. It was just, I already killed the guy. It was all safe. And then you were like, you just threw a grenade.
Out of ammo.
And you didn't even tell me.
Old Godzilla was hopping around Tokyo City like a big playground. And suddenly, Batman burst from the shade and
Hit Godzilla with a back grenade.
And Godzilla got pissed and began to attack. And didn't expect to be blocked by Shaq. And then starting to open up a can of Shaq Fu. Then Aaron Carter came out of the blue.
He started beating up Shaquille
O'Neal. And then they both got flattened by the
Batmobile. God
before he could
damn.
make it back to the Batcave.
Abraham Lincoln came out of his grave.
Pulls an AK-47 out from under his hat and
Blew Batman away with a rat-tat-tat.
And when he ran out of bullets and he ran away,
because
Optimus Prime came to save the day.
This is the ultimate showdown of ultimate destiny. Good guys, bad guys, and explosions.
As far as the eye can see, and only one will survive. I wonder who it will be. This is the ultimate showdown of ultimate destiny.
I have no words for what I just did there. What the fuck was that noise? It sounded like a pig squeal. What the fuck?
Gotta reload. Help! Out of ammo!
I can't believe we knew that word per word. 3 seconds.
I don't see any hostiles in Gulf.
Okay. They almost took the objective back, but I got it. I just gotta hold the position.
See, you gotta be confident in yourself when you're by yourself. And not get paranoid against your teammates. Because...
You didn't type anything in the console. You didn't.
Oh, would you look at that?
No.
We won!
Last one left.
No.
You better make some fucking
Are you
moves.
serious? Oh, why did it holster my gun? Why did it holster my gun?
It did the same thing to me.
What the fuck? What?
The game just decided that it wanted to end there
The game,
and holstered
the
the
game
gun.
just wanted to be a dick. Chill out.
Alpha's been successfully destroyed.
I
Where?
destroyed the cache, but I
Hey, pull
died.
something off or get the fuck out of there, man. You're the last one left.
But wait, what?
Somebody get this
What?
guy a medal.
What happened? Where?
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Where? Holy shit! They were right. He was right behind. Fucker! Can you believe the bullshit? They might be coming down the other side too. Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck?
Hostiles are taking Echo.
Why did I die?
There was like 2 in front of you.
But they did.
Yeah, they were like... Yeah, see, there's like the one right here and then the one right up here.
Yeah, I know there were 2 in front of me, but did one of them shoot me or stab me or what happened?
I saw a shot. Like, I was shooting over here, and then you just collapsed over right here. Like, I think it came from over... Yeah, it might have been one of these guys.
It might have been, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, why exactly are we... What is the strategic importance of taking a pipe room in a subway?
It's very simple, you see. Water supply.
Well, what if these are just like gas tubes?
Gulf has been secured.
That's also true, but
They're counterattacking. They're
that could
trying to
also
take back
come
the
in
objective.
handy if you're surviving in a metro.
We have hostiles in Gulf.
Fair.
Jesus!
Fuck out of there. Gulf under attack.
Come on, motherfuckers. What's next?
Still piling in the goddamn door.
I should really reload. Okay.
Yeah.
Victory is assured. We are going to be the winners of this battle. It's very simple. I mean, look at what I have accomplished. It's just a whole pile. A whole pile of a...
That's the last of them. Let's get to the next objective.
Did you just fucking do that? Which key is it this time that you've bound that to, huh? Which key is it that you've bound that to? You could have cost us the whole game for that bit. And we'd have had to start from the fucking beginning. You know how hard it was to get here? And you want us to start again, motherfucker? Take point. For another one of your wacky
We're taking
schemes.
hotel.
Jesus, help. Okay. What the fuck?
Nice, we just took Bravo.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Here we go. Get ready. What are you doing?
Was covering the door.
We have to cover this and the doors. For both sides. He opened the doors.
But did he get on the floor and walk the dinosaur?
Whoa. Well. I guess we try harder. I can't
So
believe you
you can let us
still have
move?
that key bound. I can't fucking believe it.
We got a man!
Are you... Art thou serious?
One left.
I literally sacrificed
Figure it out.
goddamn RPG.
Art
And
thou
it's still-
serious with thine bullshit? I shall cast thee upon the inferno,
Fuck this!
and ye shall explode. Thou shalt be destroyed.
You're almost saying it in an incantation manner. This is, well, I mean, you've got fire, so that's step one of the ritual here.
What the fuck?
Fuck this!
Ooh. What?
You're shitting me. Stupid cash is such bullshit. A Molotov
Did you
and
know that in Super Mario, most players died to the very first Goomba? Balls, man. Molotov.
why have an
Molotov.
underbarrel grenade launcher if it doesn't even work?
Molotov.
Team is down. You're on the
Dead.
Are you kidding me? Who? Fucking who? Fucking who?
I'm him!
That scream was primal.
Damn. Damn. Damn, that was cool. Damn, that was cool. Damn, that was cool.
Considering that
Is this some kind of sick fucking joke? Burn, you evil thing!
Hey!
does it have to be hit like at a specific angle or something?
I don't know. This is some of the most bullshit I've ever seen.
Toss a grenade in there while it's going off. Maybe having a separate set of damage might do something.
Ow.
Why? Why can we not
Okay,
destroy
okay,
this thing?
okay. There was a... No, it's gone! Motherfuckers! I mean, bullshit. Eh.
Ah!
What? I was literally the demolitions class, and it wouldn't let me.
I think it's bugged. What are you shooting?
It's an M14.
Is it though? Hold on, go back to that.
Holy shit.
It's an M14.
That is a 50 caliber Barrett sniper rifle on my screen. Hold on, hold still. Let me take a screenshot of that shit.
Yeah, I'm using just an M14. I guess
That is
maybe
a
not all our
50
mods.
caliber sniper rifle that you were shooting on repeat. Dude.
Yeah, like on my screen, it's just a regular M14, so I guess not all of our mods matched up. But look, see? Be
I see it.
thankful.
Yes, I'm very thankful. Alright, I got it. Alright, and let me check and see if they are downloaded. They are downloading.
Cool.
I suppose in the meantime, I'm dead. I fucking died.
Wait, what?
I'm fucking...
I literally tabbed out of the game, and there's just blood all over the fucking wall.
There's some survivors that are trying to cross the bridge. And the thing is, they are infected, probably. We don't know. But we're going to take that risk.
No, sir.
Exactly. So that we gotta go up to that bridge and eliminate them. Otherwise, they're gonna blow it up.
Oh, shit!
So,
Oh, that was the scariest fucking thing.
that was a significant emotional experience.
For any weapon caches you find. Watch for counterattacks.
I'll fucking bet. I'll fucking bet it was. I'll fucking
No.
bet. Let's get up on that bridge. We cannot let them pass. Are you serious? Oh my god! Dude, it will be a fucking miracle if we somehow pull this shit off. Where are we coming from?
Oh, hit the dirt!
Woo! I'm heading down. Ugh. Clear.
Gotta reload!
Let's get to the helicopter.
Maybe it's made of chocolate?
Holy shit, where? Holy shit, where?
You've got this, Matt. You've got this. You've got to take it.
Dude,
Go, go,
Friendly
go.
presence on call.
Fucking
It's
do
being
this.
taken.
I can fucking do this. I can get in the thing. Yes? Yes?
Dude, is this the last capture point?
I think this is the last one, and then we win.
Oh, thank God.
This has got to be the last one. There's no way there's one
Yeah.
after this.
Yeah, because you're literally sitting in the chopper, so there's no way.
Come on, come on, come on.
Like a lot of things in life, I can't let you have it.
Are you kidding me? No! No!
There's a heavy infected in this area. We've been ordered to clear it. Move through, secure the objectives, and destroy any weapon caches. protection you find. Watch for counterattacks. Keep it tight, stay safe.
You know, you said you were screaming so loud. Discord picked up nothing. Oh, God.
Do you realize what you've done? You've gotta be freaking kidding me! Are you really for real with this bullshit?
My stomach hurts so much. Oh my God.
We were like just a few more seconds!
Gotta reload!
Do you know how hard it was to get to that point? Do you not remember the good times, the bad times, the sad times? There were many sad times of us dying repeatedly. Do you remember these? So why the fuck did you do that?
Because I couldn't get off the fucking helicopter. Because I was dead.
Okay, so we can't complete this unless you live, specifically. We're not allowed to complete this unless you live, specifically. That's the rule?
Get back!
Oh my god! Woo-hoo.
Just took Bravo.
Where?
Hey, Bravo is under attack, guys.
Oh. Ah, he thought he was gonna flank me. Oh!
Your team is down. You're all that's left. Contact the Bravo.
Okay, okay. We're just gonna reload this. Very good. We're gonna get this out. We're gonna reload this. Please reload now. Please reload now. Thank you. Are you fucking kidding me? I said reload it! That's okay. I'm hiding from them like Outlast. Fools. Fools. I can't believe that fucking worked. Is there one above me?
Contact the Bravo.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm a win!
Says Crazy Wolf attacked teammate who's
Oh! Oh! No! Don't worry, I'll carry on.
I hate this part.
Cause we'll carry on.
God damn it, hit him. There we go.
Your memory will carry on. Oh my god. I am literally proving that it's not a phase, Mom was in fact not a phase.
It was an era.
Era.
Yes, we're gonna do it.
A golden age.
It was a golden age. Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars.
I was about to say, I was looking over at my keyboard.
Where's the fucking button? I swear to God.
I
I will drive to your house.
And, you know, like, I just look at the button and...
Don't!
Golf has been secured. Good work, man.
Cause we all just want a red dot sight with armor-piercing ammo and extended magazine.
Help me! Hey,
fine.
lost him.
Did you just fucking... I'm not even out of the fucking menus yet. Are you... Oh, did you find something? Oh. Oh, he's got an RPG. That's our only shot. Make it count.
And the last one left. You'll just have to figure it out.
A sacrifice worthy of generations of legend.
What?
I didn't do it.
What did you say? It's so surreal playing maps from other games
In another game.
in another game.
You'll just have to figure
Oh
it out.
my lord.
That was so surreal, it killed me.
What the fuck? Did I see that correctly?
I have a corresponding key to that letter on my keyboard.
Okay, we've got
Even
friendlies on
fucking
Bravo.
think
It's
about
being
it.
taken.
I am capturing the objective. I'm going
I'm just
to...
pointing something out.
I know
I'm just
you are pointing something out. How cute. Yes, very quaint. Yes.
I'm just pointing out that I have a B key on my keyboard,
Yes,
which
because...
is the same letter that's on screen.
Yeah. You know, everybody has a B key on their keyboard. You know, I would be surprised, you know, if somebody didn't
Well, not
have the
everybody. Somebody who's not using an English keyboard.
Yes, but
It could
I
be
mean, we're both
completely different
using
letters.
English
We got it.
keyboards. I'm not sure why you would need to point this
5-0.
out. Because we're both
Yeah.
using English keyboards.
No, but I just felt the need to point out that the two letters correspond very well.
Well, yeah, because they're the same letter.
Yeah,
Hey,
and
look, there's C. You know, I have the letter C on my keyboard.
yeah, I can see that. But when you
You know, I have the power to stop a bullet.
once.
Yeah, once.
Fucking idiot.
Ah! I could do it one more time. I could do it one more time. You.
Oh well, you were right. You only could take it one more time.
I was
We can
like,
see
oh,
that
hey,
idea.
there he is. Oh!
Out of ammo.
What were you shooting at?
Enemy.
Oh.
Hoo-hoo.
Oh,
No.
man. What?
The last one left. You'll just have to figure it out.
Oh, for fuck's sake, why did you do this to me?
So it is also dead.
Move 'em, heading towards the
Yeah,
objective.
yeah.
Get ready.
I'm gonna have to clean that with a wipe. You got this. I'm gonna go get a wipe
What?
and clean my screen.
Why?
Because I can't see properly with the bug guts all over my screen. It has to be cleansed now, immediately.
Try to reload.
Ah, yes, here we are. I found myself.
Fuck you.
I am dead.
Help me!
Hey, you got this.
Bravo,
No, I don't. I'm dead. You ask a man to get in a fucking shootout with a bolt action rifle. You left me to die.
There.
That is...
Hey, pull something off or get the fuck out of there, man. You're the last one left.
Have fun. Have fun. I'm dead.
I watched that happen. Woo! Doing great. He blended in with the fucking darkness. He blended in with the fucking dark. He was the shadows. He was the night. That was the Dark Knight. That was him. There's the legend. That. Fuck.
Oh, we got this. We've got this.
We're gonna do this again? I want a grenade.
We got a man.
Are you fucking for real?
Nice, we just took Bravo.
Loading up.
Oh, this is just not our
Oh,
day.
sorry, my finger slipped.
Yeah, your finger slip.
Oh, please no.
There's.
Victory, Screech.
Whoa!
Why did I spawn so far away? That's my corpse right there.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I can see that.
I was like, I just cleared that area. I just cleared it. Oh my god!
Okay, one more time.
Holy shit!
For you.
Who the fuck is this guy? Yo, that's John Wick out there! I think that's fucking John Wick! I got him. Wait, that's not... That was a decoy! Okay, no, I got him.
Go, go.
I got John Wick. Ow! Owie! Owie!
I'm loading
That
up.
was a complete
Oh,
accident.
behind you! Behind you! Behind you!
I'm loading.
So you had enough time to shout, but you didn't have enough time to shoot.
I was reloading. I was in the middle of a reload. I was trying to switch to my pistol. It was taking a while. They want the bathrooms.
They want the back rooms?
The bathrooms. We're in the bathrooms.
Or in the back rooms?
Find the fire exit. Plane!
No!
Ah!
Close!
The plane!
No!
The plane!
We were there.
Damn it!
Well, that gives us a goal for like the next time. So
Very true.
Well, that was certainly an adventure, wasn't it?
I'd say so, but you know what? Put her there.
Yeah, and we settled our insurance debacle.
Yeah, and we totally don't use binded keys there.
Oh, yeah. Totally.
So, hey everybody, my name's Eno. I'm a Twitch streamer and fellow VTuber. Me and Crazy Wolf here, we actually go about 10 years back. We went to school together. We've been studio partners on many, many projects. But we kind of went independent and went our own ways for a little while, so this is kind of both of our new endeavors. So it's been a pleasure to be on the channel, and hopefully in more videos you'll see me guest starring in his Suffering. If you want to follow me on Twitch, just go to twitch.tv/enos_realm. It's also in the description too.
You have to scroll down. You have to scroll down. It's the thing on your mouse.
Yep, that being said though, we're not going to bind any more source engine keys, and
That's right,
well,
we're
that's
not.
all I've got to say.
Okay. Well,
No.
thank you very much for joining me today. But, can I actually ask for one more favor? Just one?
What's that favor?
Moonstone cannon! Fire! I love your ship. I think I might steal it one day.